Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you beautiful Easter centerpiece decoration ideas. So I hope friends you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, first idea is anything centerpiece. And take a basket of three, place a big bunny in the center. Now add small eggs around it. Use bright color like blue, yellow, and pink. And friends, viewers, the centerpiece is cute and fun, perfect for Easter centerpiece. For a celebration, mini garden Easter centerpiece. Take a china bowl or tray and a solid green foam. Now place small pot plants or artificial grass. Add tiny eggs and a small bunny. You can also add small stones. This will look like a little Easter garden. Very creative and beautiful. Rebuild decoration. And friend, viewers, and so color egg like egg, pink, yellow, blue. Place them in a bowl or tray. Add lights, color flowers. Use a small bunny in white color. This give a soft and dreamy look, perfect for Easter decoration. Easter basket centerpiece. Take a basket and fill it with grass. Add colored egg inside. Place flower and a bunny on top. This is a traditional Easter decoration, simple and always beautiful. And friends, so I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon